All right, guys, so let's continue. So we will talk about one more problem statement today, and the problem statement is very simple: word count. Let's see how what exactly it is. Okay, so the problem statement is word count using Scala. Right now, I want to make this little simple. Okay, so given a list, let's say name list is equal to, let's say, list of some names. Okay, for example, I can say Suraj Prasad, and let's say again Suraj Kumar. Okay, again let me say Kumar Mahesh. Right, so given a list of people, right, wherein you can have first name and the last name, or so on, and let me also have something called Kumar. Okay, so you are given a list which contains name. The length of the name can be anything. It can have one word, it can have two words, it can have three words, it can have four words, does not matter. What I want you to do is I want you to find out a word count of it. For example, what is the output I'm expecting out of it is the output should be like this: Suraj. Okay, what the occurrence? 1 2 2. Okay, and then you have Prasad. What is the occurrence? Only 1. Then you have Kumar. What is the occurrence? 3. Okay, you have Mahesh. What is the occurrence? Just 1, right? So 3, 6, 7, 6 and 7. This is what we are expecting you to produce the output. Okay, so I want you to find out a word count using just Scala, just pure Scala, right? So given a list, write a logic, right, or write a function that can ultimately return me this map. Okay, so this is a map. It's not it. See a key and value. This is a map. Okay, now let us try to return a sorted map. Let us try to return a sorted map wherein the sorting would happen only on these values. Okay, which means the highest count, like the word with the highest frequency should be always at the top, which means now I'm expecting you to give me the output like this: Kumar 3, highest. Okay, then Suraj 2. Okay, and then I have Prasad and Mahesh. Right now, in that case, so 1, Mahesh and Prasad. Now see here, M is smaller than P, right? Because M and O P. So P is greater. P is greater. So I'll say Prasad. Okay, and then 1. So this should be your final output altogether, right? So this is what I want you to create. So I want you to produce this, right? Given a list of a lot of strings, you just have to give me the words in such a way that the word which is occurring for maximum number of times should be at the top. Okay, and your result should be all in lowercase. Your words should all be in lowercase, which means if somebody has written small s or if somebody has written capital S, still you should say Suraj too. You should not treat them differently. You should treat them same, right? So that is what is the assignment. It's very simple, right? Now I want you to design your classes like this. Say you have a class, say you have object word count, okay, using Scala, right? And you'll have a main method here. Okay, now in this main method, what you'll do, you create this string, you'll create this name list, right? Well, name list equal to, you'll create this, and then you'll say, you'll write a function, you'll call this function. Let's say the function name is get word count, right? Wherein you'll pass this name list, right? And what are you going to get here is you're going to get a map of what? Map of string and integer, right? String and integer. You'll get a map of string and integer. And if you talk about this get word count, you'll have a function defined get word count, right? And you'll have name list, and here you'll write your logic to do all these operations like get access to all the elements, split them by space, and then get them individually, and then whatever logic you want to do and produce me the output like this, where they are also sorted by your values, right? All the words which has the highest frequency, I should get that first, then 2, then 1, and then 1. And if there is any tie, then the value should be sorted, right? The value should be sorted, P first and then M and then A and then so on, right? So that is what you are supposed to produce out of this program. Okay, so and if you are able to solve this problem, I would suggest you to please paste your answer in the comment section of the video so that it will stay there forever. Okay.